Hi, it's Anthony from carplaylife.com, and today we're looking at this new ring light and stand kit from Quntis. So keep watching for my review. So over my last few videos on this channel, I've been using this ring light and stand kit from Quntis. If you browse YouTube and Instagram, you will see many videos and photos being created with ring lights such as this one. Even more so in beauty videos and selfies, because you can position your mobile phone in the center of the ring light and you'll get an even spread of light in your photos and videos. And a little bit of an alien-like ring of light in the reflection of their eyes as well. In the box, you get the ring light itself. There's a collapsible floor stand that goes from 42 centimeters or 16 inches to 163 centimeters, which is around 64 inches tall. There's also a smaller 17 centimeter tall tripod stand for desktop use and a flexible mobile mount for use with smartphones. You get a 1/4 inch screw ball head bracket included in the box to connect either stand to the ring light. This then allows you to tilt and rotate the light to a position of how you want it. And finally, you get a small Bluetooth remote shutter control for your iOS and Android smartphone over Bluetooth, and you get to enable the camera from a distance. With all the accessories in this kit, you have plenty of choice on how to use this ring light. The small stand, for example, can be used on a desktop surface for makeup or beauty photos or videos. And the floor stand tripod you can mount your phone or camera onto and get a nice diffused light in your talk to camera videos or live streams. For the price, the bundle tripod was a surprise for me, and its quality is quite decent. It's not fantastic, but it certainly reflects the price tag. Personally, I found it hard to get it vertically straight, and its build quality is a little too flimsy to mount something much heavier on it. If you're using it for a mobile phone, this stand is perfect for that. But if you're thinking of going more professional with a heavier camera rig or an SLR camera, then this stand will struggle with all that extra weight. The ring light has 4 1/4 inch screw holes on it. There is one at the bottom to attach the ball head bracket onto, and there are 3 along the top of the mount where the smartphone bracket or your camera can screw into, whilst the other 2 holes could be used to offset your smartphone or mount a microphone or any other equipment that you want to attach to the stand. The bundled mobile mount is okay for the price range. It's quite sturdy, and the ball mount allows you to tilt and rotate your smartphone to get your phone's camera into the best position. If you wish to use this light ring with a camera, you will need to buy a 1/4 inch to 1/4 inch screw mount to mount a camera onto the center of the ring light. This light is powered by a single USB cable that's molded into the back of the ring light. So unfortunately, this cable can't be replaced. At about 1 meter down the USB cable, you will find the inline remote control for controlling everything that the ring light is able to do. From turning it on and off to setting the brightness, stepping through 10 color temperatures between cold and warm light. This ring light also does color RGB lighting, and it has a few dedicated buttons on the cable to allow you to toggle between 6 color light options, and there are 2 modes that switch between all the available colors, either slowly or very fast, should you want to do that too. Being USB powered though, I found the light didn't go as bright as I wanted it to. It outputs roughly around 600 lumens, which is similar to a 40 watt incandescent light bulb. So this light isn't going to be strong enough for recording at a long distance. I would say this light is best used for low light or close-up photos or videos where brightness intensity is less required. Between the color options and RGB settings, you will easily find a color that suits the kind of videos and photos that you want to capture. Unfortunately though, as soon as you unplug the USB cable, your light settings will be lost, and you will have to go through all the brightness and color temperatures again each time you plug the light back in. This isn't a problem if you keep the light powered and turned off at the remote though. This ring light from Quntis retails for $30.99 from Amazon, and you can check out my links in the description below. Its retail price reflects the overall quality of the kit. It will certainly fulfill a beginner setup or those on a tight budget. With its various mounting solutions and table and floor tripods, there is plenty here to get you up and running. But should you want this light to improve a more professional camera setup, or if you're shooting from a distance, then I think you'll be a little bit disappointed. You'll likely want to spend a little more on individual components to achieve better quality stand and a much brighter fill light. Alright, I hope you found this video helpful. If it has, please leave us a like and let me know in the comments below if you have any questions about this ring light from Quntis. You can catch all my other tech reviews in my playlist here. Hit that subscribe button down below to catch all my future content, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers. Bye.